Hello and welcome to this video. I'm Jasmine LeVay and I am super excited to try out the brand new Fenty Beauty Instant Retouch Concealers and Setting Powders. I'm starting by priming my face with the Cover FX Mattifying Primer. Then I'm applying the Fenty Soft Matte Primer to my T-zone because that's where I get the most shiny throughout the day. And I obviously applied too much. Just gonna comb up these brows real quick. Next, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Foundation in the shades 420 and 430 to get the perfect winter shade match. All year I had been wearing 430 and 440, not realizing how red it was until I turned on all of these lights.
Even Queen B had to tell them I'm the queen.
So yeah, I'm very proud of myself for concocting a mixture that looks just like my skin. So I'm just gonna keep on applying this and blending it out. I didn't try to go for a full coverage look here because that's not something that I normally do. I usually just like to do like a light coverage, my skin but better type of look. I actually just started wearing makeup in like 2015 to cover up dark spots caused by stress and eczema. Yeah, I was never the makeup girl because I always had clear skin until I didn't. So when I started trying makeup, it just grew on me so much and I fell in love with putting it on and trying new looks. So I wanted to make my own videos of me practicing makeup so I could see my progress and improvements over time. Also, I just wanted to share my journey with other people who are also still learning so that we can learn and grow together. I used to be so good at doing my brows. Sometimes I am and sometimes I'm not. Sometimes it's really good and then other times it's like, eh. Alright, now time for the concealers. Starting off with the shade 430 to color correct under my eyes. Get rid of those dark circles. And now I'm going in with 420, which is my natural brightening shade according to my foundation shade. I normally don't apply concealer on my upper lip area, but I was like, hey, whatever. Try it this time. Using that little precision sponge that Fenty came out with. Keep on blending, girl. I'm not used to blending out my concealer with a brush. As we can see, I just flipped right back to the sponge. Now the concealer shade 495 to contour. This is basically just a liquid shade for Espresso, the matchsticks. Yeah, that's what it looks like. It looks like Espresso, but in liquid form. Contouring the nose is so hard. Like, I'll be like, what the heck am I doing? Is this too dark? Is it too light where you can't even see the contour? Like, I don't know. I want to learn how to do it well, but I'll be scared because I don't want to like go out looking crazy, but I don't know. I just need to, one day I'm just going to do it. I just need to do it. Going in with 410 to brighten up under the eyes a little bit. Trying to blend out the contour on my face. I kept switching tools because I was like, oh my gosh, it's not blending out. But when I went to the sponge, it worked out perfectly. Setting powders. Cashew, so pretty. I'm using this as my under eye brightener. Gotta smooth out those creases first, girl. Now Nutmeg, my all over shade. And the powder smells so good. Forgot to clean up my brows. Even though I put powder on, I'm still going to clean up under my brows in the shade 430. Very carefully. And I'm using this flat e.l.f. brush. And I'm going back in to clean up a little bit and trying to blend out the concealer so that I don't end up with a halo brow. I hate that look. For me, if that's what you like, then that's okay. I don't like it on me. Matchsticks Rum. Such a pretty color. Now I'm going to bronze up a little bit. Now I'm going to do my eyeshadow, starting with my Morphe 3502 palette. Now I'm going in with Fenty Moroccan Spice. And again, all of the products are going to be listed down below in the description box. Now I'm lining my lips with the Kylie Lip Kit liner in True Brown K. Perfect brown for me. Then I'm going in with the Supermoon lipstick from that Galaxy collection that Fenty released last year. And I'm also going in with Sci-Fi on the top lip. I love these so much that I bought doubles before they sold out. And that's the final look. I hope you enjoyed watching. If so, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Wait. Oh. Okay. Okay, now that's the final look. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and make sure you come back for part 2 where I share my honest thoughts about this whole collection. Thanks again, and I hope to see you at my next video.